फ्रैक्चर से जब बड़ा हो जाता है, then it becomes crack, and when it is much bigger, then what happen? It comes over there. I said that it comes over there, and this portion come down, and this portion is there. Understood? So it become Rift Valley. So it has gone down. It has gone down. Listen me carefully. एक कंसेप्ट होता है आइसोस्टैटिक बैलेंस. दिस इज सपोज करो, दिस इज इन अ फ्लोटिंग. कभी आपने शिप को देखा होगा, इट इज द शिप इज फ्लोटिंग, एंड इस शिप में इफ यू आर पुटिंग सम लोड, देन शिप विल गो डाउन. यस और नॉट? इट इज नोन एज ग्रेविटेशनल बैलेंस, एंड व्हेन यू आर रिमूविंग द लोड, द शिप विल कम अप. When you are putting it, it will go down, and if it is removing, it will come up. It is known as isostatic balance. Gravitational balance, or better to say, I said the isostatic balance. Suppose I said that जब ये weight यहाँ पे था, ध्यान से देखेंगे, when this weight was there, ये substance आपस में touched है, तो it was putting pressure on it. Yes or no? It was putting pressure on it. लेकिन जैसे ही यहाँ से आ गया, तो ये pressure जो था, this pressure has been what? Released. और जैसे ही pressure release होगा, then it will uplift, because our earth's surface is floating over astrosphere. Yes or no? So which portion will uplift? Tell me. This section, from this area, I said the pressure has been released, and from this area pressure has been released, and what happened? Listen me carefully. This section uplifted like this due to release in the weight, and due to release in the weight, this section यहाँ से उड़ी. That become in India Western Ghat. That reason, जैसे ये दूर हुआ, now it is what? Here it is. So यहाँ पर one upliftment. So in the Madagascar, it is known as Ankaratra mountain range. And in the north, in the USA, sorry, in the USA, sorry, in the India, on the western side, it has been uplifted. It become what? Western Ghat. और बीच वाला क्या चला गया? अंदर गया. So which kind of coast? Submergent kind of coast. Getting my point? So this coast of India is which kind of coast? So the whole this India is what? Tell me. Western coast of India is which kind of coast? Submergent kind of coast. लेकिन जब मैं geomorphology वगैरह डिस्कस करता हूँ, that time I get into the details of it. Understood it? समझ में आ चुका है? So the western coast or Kathiawar coast is what? महाराष्ट्र के पास submerged, कर्नाटका submerged, Malabar submerged, but later on it become emergent. That I will show you. Understood? So we have seen that this Kathiawar coast and all are what is in which kind of coast? Submergent kind of coast. Shall I remove this? This picture is clear. And why we have in a Western Ghat? Western Ghat is what? Isostatically uplifted mountain. Yes or not? Isostatically uplifted mountains. Understood? Because of the fault. So इसका मतलब हम लोग महाराष्ट्र coast is so the whole western coast is also known as fault coast. It has been formed because of the fault. So many things will come in the future in the geomorphology and all. Shall I remove? Now. So which coast I said that? Which are the two coasts in the Kathiawar region? Porbandar coast, Gohelwar coast. Porbandar coast and Gohelwar coast. And now we can be able to see some sea beaches are there also. And these sea beaches, if I am talking about, here you can see that this region has Dwarka sea beach, and this region जूनागढ़ को छोड़ दो. जूनागढ़ के बड़े राजा लोग बड़े अमीर होते हैं, उनको कभी छोड़ना नहीं. There is a Dwarka sea beach and this is Chorwad sea beach. Sea beach and Chorwad sea beach. In the Gujarat, which are the two sea beaches we are watching in the Kathiawar?
Dwarka sea beach
and Chorwad. And which are the two important coasts? Porbandar coast, Gohelwar coast. Together it is known as? It is an emergent coast or submergent type? Submergent type of coast. Understood it? Now. So, listen. Generally, थोड़ा सा केवल आइडिया रहेगा. Listen me carefully. I am trying in the geomorphology it will be more better. I said that generally sea waves जब wind move करता है, when the wind is moving on the sea side and यहाँ से water क्या हो जाएगा down. And from there this water will put the pressure down. And in this region water wants to created. What happens? One wave created on the sea surface. Yes. And just by reaching near to the coast, what happened? The shallow coast will help in breaking it. And जैसे ही break होता है, that is known as swash. जो ये टूटा, उसके बाद this wave is known as. Just tell me which wave? Swash wave. Which wave? Which is reaching to the coast, it is known as swash. Understood? And after the coast, जब आप खड़े रहते होंगे in the sea beach, then slowly and after coming here, then it also returns back. And the returning back wave is known as backwash. Returning back wave is known as backwash. So now tell me, again here it is also. अब मुझे बताना आप लोग कि in which case there will be swash will be greater and backwash will be less. In which case, first tell me, first and in the second case, in which case swash will be greater? Huh? Swash कब बनता है? After breaking of the wave? And सबसे ज़्यादा shallow coast second one or first one? Second one. तो यहाँ पे इसकी breaking यही start होगी. There will be more breaking of the wave and then more amount of water is going. Then it is in a swash it will be more greater. यहाँ पे little bit breaking, so swash will be less. This is clear. Now backwash, पानी. Now tell me these two section I am saying that this is first left hand, this is right hand. In which case water will return back fast? In the right hand or in the left hand? In the right hand water will because of the slope. So in which backwash will be more speedy? First or second? First. So इसमें क्या होगा? Backwash is greater than swash. In this case, what happens? Swash is greater than backwash. इसीलिए ऐसे कोस्ट में जैसे चेन्नई वगैरह में पहुंच जाओगे, ऐसे कोस्ट में जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डीप है, and then returning wave आपको आपके पैर को उठा लेगा, it will uplift it and letting into the sea. So it will be very much dangerous. जिसको undertow current or all. So where the backwash is effective, it will be more drowning area. So we should be careful. And where the backwash is less effective, it is not drowning. तो आपको sea beach को ध्यान से रखना हो कि all the sea beach are not similar. Now I said who will break the particles more? Tell me first. Second one or first one? Second one will break the particles from the shallow coast and it will deposit the sand over there. So when the sea beach will form? When the swash is greater than backwash. So the swash is greater than backwash, then there is a formation of sea beach. When the swash is greater than backwash, then there is a formation of, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या करेगा? यहाँ पर you know that suppose यहाँ पे 20 particles it is breaking, लेकिन वापस आते समय he is bringing 30 particles. So exactly I said that 20 particles is coming but 30 particles is returning. So finally loss of what? 10 particles at the coast. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? 100 particles are coming sand but only how much? 20 particles are returning. So 80 sand particles remain on the coast. So sea beach formation will be there. So sea beach formation will take place when the swash is greater than backwash. Understood it? Understood? Understood? So which are the sea beach we have seen? This one is I said that Dwarka sea beach. There is an I said that Chorwad sea beach. Coast and sea beach में बहुत अंतर होता है. Coast is something like this, whole coast. Every coastal region is coastal region. Understood it? But sea beach formation is not everywhere. Understood it? Sea beach formation कब होगा? When the swash is greater and backwash is. Understood it? Now, what is the meaning of Grand Bank and then Dogger Bank? If you have heard about, बोल दो अपने दिल की भड़ास निकाल दो. It is a major fisheries ground. Near Newfoundland Grand Bank, New England Dogger Bank. But only bank means not fisheries ground. Let us see what is bank. I said that in this case, backwash is more effective. It will keep on bringing particles and then it will keep on depositing in this region. क्योंकि 20 जा रहा है लेकिन 30 वापस तो आ रहा है और ये ब्रेक हो रहा है and it will keep on depositing और ये क्या बन जाता है? Shallow coast. क्या बन गया? And if the sheep is coming, then it will what? It can strike with this feature, जो कि हमें visible नहीं. On the sea surface we can't see this one. So this is known as what? Bank. क्या बनेगा? Yes, tell me. समझ में आ गया? So two things I make you to understand. Sea beach. When the sea beach form, sea beach के लिए wave should be greater so that maximum sediment deposit along the coast. जो कि हम लोग मैं पूरा explain करता हूँ when I am teaching you coastal landform in the geomorphology. So there is, I said that sea beach formation when the swash is greater than backwash. आपको भी दिख रहा है कि यहाँ से particles बहुत सारे break करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ तो returning back हो रहा है. Understood? Understood it? Shall I? Did you understand that? यहाँ पे two banks are there. And in the this is Gulf of Cambay, and this is known as Mal Bank, and this is Malacca Bank. So which are the two banks in the Gulf of Cambay? Mal Bank, Malacca Bank. Understood? Which are the two banks? Malacca Bank. और ये बैंक यदि डिपॉजिट होता रहा धीरे धीरे it will come upon the sea surface, it will become island. Understood? And here this is in a bank and here it is Aliabet Island. Which are we have seen? Mal Bank, Malacca Bank, and which island we have seen? Aliabet Island. Understood it? So which one is khatarnak for, I said that transportation, waterway transportation? Yes? Which concept we have seen? Bank. Understood? We should know the coastal landform. It is, I said that bank. और bank जब ज़्यादा ऊपर आ जाता है, it becomes what? Island. Understood? Now, this is completely okay. We have understood about first. किसके बारे में हमने समझा? One physiography I understand about Kathiawar, and Kathiawar was made up of what? Basalt, and there is the hills. Which are the hills? I said that Venu, Barda, Elich, Gir, Girnar, Mandal, Satranj. और गिरते लोग हैं, कई बार गिरते हैं. कौन गिरता है? मानव. गिर, गिरनार, मांडव. और किस में गिरते हैं? शतरंज के खेल में. इन विच गेम? शतरंज. अंडरस्टूड? आई सेड दैट यहाँ पे वेन लगाया बार का, किसका? लीची. वेन में बार एंड लीची का. अंडरस्टूड? वेनु हिल्स, बारदा हिल्स. नाउ देयर आफ्टर वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट गल्फ ऑफ कैम्बे. विच वन आई सेड दैट? गल्फ ऑफ कैम्बे. And Gulf of Cambay में we have seen three important facts: Mal Bank, Malacca Bank, Alia Bank. Understood? Clear? Now, in this region, you know that one river is coming, Narmada River. Which river is this? Narmada. And here it is coming off, I said that, Tapi River. This district is what I said that Bharuch. ये कौन सा district है? You can see here. Bharuch. Understood? Which district I am talking about? Bharuch. And this is, I said that, Surat. Which district is this? Surat. And this is Tapi river. Can you remember? Tapi last letter, Surat last letter is T, Tapi. From the Surat region, Tapi river is what is it? Draining into what? Gulf of Cambay. And then from the Bharuch district, finally it is draining into Killer. Listen me carefully. This